unashamed. Now let's put our hands where our mouths are. So I'm campaigning, and I'm just trying to raise awareness. And if you want to join this movement, if you're saying, man, I'm unashamed like that, go to weareunashamed.com. Because at the end of the day, it's not about us. Jesus is who we stand behind, is who we trust. So, at the end of the day, I just want to play the background, you know what I mean? Because it's not about me being on stage, it's about Jesus. Can y'all sing that with me? Can we worship him tonight? Because I know sometimes I get in the way. If you unashamed, say, so won't you take the lead? Say, Jesus, won't you take the lead? And I can play the background, and you can take the... Listen. It's evident you run the show, so let me back down. You take the leading role, and I'll play the background. I know I miss my cues, know I forget my lines. I'm sticking to your script, and I'm reading all your signs. I don't need my name in lights, I don't need a starring role. Why gain the whole wide world if I'm just gonna lose my soul? If my ways ain't pure, if I don't live according to your word, I can't endure this life without your wisdom being heard. And every dancer for a pop star, cause we don't play the background, but mine's a rock star. Yeah, so if you need me, I'll be stage right. Breaking the whole world will start embracing stage fright. So let me fall back and stop giving my suggestions, cause when I follow my obsessions, I end up confessing that I'm not that impressive. Matter of fact, I'm putting my all. A trail of stardust leading to the superstar. Sing it with me, say, I can play the background. Let me hear y'all, El Paso. I can play the background. I know, cause I know sometimes I get in the way. So say this, say, Jesus, take the lead. Yeah. Say, Jesus, take the lead. And I can play the background. And you can take the... I know I'm safest when I'm in your will and trust your word. I know I'm dangerous when I trust myself, my vision blurred. And I ain't got no time to play like foolish things. Got plenty aims, but do they really glorify your name? And it's a shame the way I'm gonna do these things for you. Yeah, don't even bring me, you take time to speak and dream of you. It seems that you are patient in my ignorance. And ignorance is bliss. She never heard of Jesus. You know that I can play the background. Please, somebody worship with me tonight. I can play the background. I know sometimes I get in the way. Jesus, won't you take the lead? Jesus, won't you take the lead? And I can play the background. Does anybody know why you're with me, y'all? Just sing it with me, y'all. Somebody sing it. Say, I can play the background. Come on, y'all, worship with me tonight. I can play the background. I know sometimes I get in the way. So Jesus, won't you take the lead? So won't you take the lead? And I can play the background. And you can take the lead. Take the lead, Jesus.